What's your name?
Grayson.
And you're reviewing what's the name of this place? Early Birds? Early Birds. You got to talk up a little bit. And then what's your channel's name? Tastin?
Tastin with Grayson.
Tastin with Grayson. All right, so you're gonna review Early Birds Cafe.
Yeah, it's a little bit different.
It's a little different here. Is this something you use? You're more of kind of a pizza guy, pizza reviewer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll see how this goes. So you're gonna do breakfast here, right? Okay. All right. It is great for kids. Look at Dad. Look at Dad. You gotta look at the camera.
Early Birds is great for kids.
Because what do they have? They have crayons.
Crayons.
And what are you gonna get here?
Crayons.
Crayons? Are you gonna get the pancakes?
Yeah.
Gotta look at the camera.
Yes, I'm gonna get pancakes.
Okay, well, and then you'll review them?
Yes.
The service was a little slow? Yeah. But is it a fun place overall though?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Is it good for kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
It's good? Okay. So the pancakes are really good? How is the bacon?
1.
It was what?
A 1.
A 1?
Yeah.
The bacon wasn't good? So overall, did you like, what would you give it? Would you give it,
I would give it,
like a,
I would give it a 3.6.
a 3.6? Let's give it a little bit higher.
How
How about like maybe a 6,
I'll do it
6.5?
a 1. How about I'll do it 1, 2, 3.
A 1?
A 1, 2, 3.
A 1, 2, 3. Why don't we give it, let's give it a 7. It's good for kids, right?
Huh?
Okay, so a 7? A 7? Okay, all right. Say thanks, this is Tastin with Grayson.
Thanks for this. This is Grayson.
Say see you later.
Yeah, no.
What's the name of the place? Early Bird?
Early Bird.
Okay.